Big star coming through. Big head on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside, fellas. That's enough, boys. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Hobo, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section. Besides, my little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata. What's going on here? What are you primates doing? Put me down. Bad monkeys. Bad monkeys. Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you. Oh, but these monkeys, they're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. Boy, dirt. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's our motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? There they go again. Pumbaa, you ain't seen nothing yet. Ladies and gentlemen, direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder, let's hear it for the Tumble Monkeys! Hakuna